How's everybody doing today? I received, this is just going to be a quick update. I received two more pieces that I needed. This is the bolts, the aluminum bolts that I ordered. Still missing the power tubes. Like I said before, hopefully it'll come in by the end of the week. But this is the aluminum bolt that I was waiting for. As you can see, it's pretty well made. Has an O-ring here and an O-ring inside. So when you attach it to the power tube, it seals and no air escapes from the back here. Okay, so I got two of them, and then I got some Vulcan optics. I got this off of Amazon. I don't know how good it is, but let's open it up. They're both the same. There it is. And it does work. Red dot sight or red dot optic. So this is going on the top rail. So, and then this one. Okay. Again, I don't know how great these are. I got them off of Amazon. I will probably get one that's better. If anybody has any recommendations, please let me know, and I'll check them out. All right. So have yourselves a good night, and I'll keep you guys posted. Like I said before, hopefully the power tubes come in by the end of the week. And when I say the end of the week, by Saturday. So I can build them on Saturday night and then probably shoot them on Sunday. I did order two hand grips and some new screws. Hopefully those will come in by next week and we can finish it up. But hopefully the power tubes come in by Saturday. Like that we can build them, and the only thing missing would be the hand grips. So have yourselves a good night, and thanks for watching.